Welcome back. Before we go too far, make sure you give us a subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Also, if you haven't seen the video from yesterday, I drove through a 6-foot snowbank with my Hummer. Check out the video there. Super cool, check it out. The snow doesn't look like it's 6 feet tall, but look at where the end gate is on that truck, and I drove through the deeper part of the snow. Tomorrow's paint day, it's gonna be good. Serbian power. So before we get too carried away with working on the Hummer, we're gonna need some paint, hardener, reducer, we need some primer, etch. So I think this is a good opportunity. The shop's kind of quiet right now. We're gonna take off and do that. And while we're out there, I think we'll swing by Walker's Auto, we'll get that, and I think we'll blast over to Mike's place. Mike's the one that makes the conversion tops for these. We'll blast over to his place and talk to him and check out some of the tops he has going. I know he has a slant back on the jig right now, so it'll be cool to see. All right, first off, Walker's got the paint, primer, etch primer, I should say, paper, plastic, whatever we're gonna need to paint tomorrow. So next is stop and see Mike. Mike, tell me about this thing.
This is the roof everybody wants.
This is the one?
Yeah. So this is a slant back based off the factory 2001 slant backs. This is the first one we've done that's aluminum. First one we've made, and of course it's out of aluminum.
Right.
So yeah, this is pretty much it. We bring it in as flat sheet like this, cut it up, bend it up, and start putting it together. And,
cool.
You know, this one's the first one, so there's a couple things I'm not super happy with. But, nothing that a little bit of bodywork can't handle.
Right, yeah.
So yeah, the whole hatch will come up and down using some hinges that we made.
It's all right in machine
These
shop.
are our hinges.
Oh, nice.
3/8 aluminum. So this whole hatch will come up, all one piece. And for the most part, you know, we leave a little bit for the cut. Every Hummer roof fits different.
Right. Well, they're all hand built.
They're all hand built.
Right.
They're different. But yeah, all this customer should have to do is once you get everything assembled on the body, everything's tight, corner, fine. Just trim your door gap.
Right.
Trim your door gap, then it's done, and it'll be good to go.
Cool.
Yeah.
Nice. That's good.
I'll use the factory parts, so if you need factory parts, you can use it. Got the flush mount glass window, a little bit more update. So
Right. Cool.
you imagine this all matte black with a nice black tinted glass that's all flush.
Right. Nice. Cool. What I think is 400 degrees out here. I hope this thing starts for me. Awesome. Perfect. YouTube, today is paint day, so without further ado, let's get going. Before I start on this, I just want to say I've never once said I'm a painter or do this for a living. I have painted cars, they've turned out successful, so that's all the knowledge I have that I'm going off of. I got 3 coats done up there. I'm doing that first just because the hose, the way it drags on there, so now I'll paint it. Alright, again, I'm not a painter professionally, I've just done this lots, but I've got the etch primer on there. I scuffed it all with 320, cleaned it off with vinyl wipe and a tack cloth. Got it on the roof. Time for some paint. Well, that's 1 coat down. You know what, actually this side's 2 coats, that's a lie, because I had extra paint. So that's 2 coats down, single stage paint. Still going. Almost looks like the impression of an iPhone in a pocket, doesn't it? For fuck's sake. Well, there it is. I'm pretty happy with it, I think. It turned out decent. It's a little darker, but it might still be wet. It may lighten up, it's hard to say. I did flash it over a little bit on the last shot. It's still wet. I did peel the stuff off while it was wet. Not a great decision, but you know what? I actually didn't wreck anything, so I'm happy with that. So anyway, that's enough for this video. Next video will get uploaded here at some point and do some more work on this.